사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면
Okay, good morning everyone. I would like to introduce the apps of processing as my educational technology. Okay, I just want to go over some basic terminology associated with word that you will see up here. We have this large area that many people call a toolbox, but actually what Microsoft calls us is the ribbon. So this is the area that we are talking about. You will see the ribbon is broken up into different groups. So on the far left, you have the clipboard group, glue group, the form group, and the stars group. Above the ribbon. We have text, so when you hear a reference to a tab, this is the font group. We can see this is where we change our font and our size. Okay, if you want to do any formatting of the text, you need to select all the tab first by highlighting like this, or you can try also to press the button select and click select all. Okay, the whole text will be highlighted, so you can adjust and formatting the text. Okay, this is the button for bold, this is a button for italic, this is the button for us to underline. Okay, if you want to do the spacing for the paragraphs, you need to select all first. Okay, select all and click the button here, line and spacing. Okay, such as we choose double spacing. Okay, the whole text will be like this. Okay, the header is going to be at the very top of the document. Okay, we click the button insert and we can find the header. Okay, here. So we need to choose one. Okay, the header will be like this. So we need to type the word inside here and double click here. Okay, the other ways to do the header is double click. Yeah. Okay, the footer also press the button insert and find the footer. Okay, like this, column, and the page number also here the insert and the page number, bottom of page here. So after we do this, we format the text, we need to save our files. So save, get the PC and click save. Thank you.
됐다 널 사랑했다 우리가 만든 love.
This is TED app or called as Ideal Voice Reading. When we want to watch a video, we only click the picture and the video will come out. When we want to watch the video, we only click the play button to open the video. Not that only, this app also can read in full screen, can adjust the sound, can add the citation, can make the speed faster or slower. It is for subtitle the volume and the video. Not that only, we can see the detail about the top. And here for the description, the transcript in one language, reading list and comment. We also can see the speaker detail at this side. This is we also can see their job. Not that only, we also have search button at here. This is we can search anything such as I want search for neuroscience. They will come out with a lot of chapter which is related with neuroscience, such as like this. It will give the learning outcome and the video about the talk which is related with the neuroscience, such as like this. There are a lot of the video which is give the option to the audience to find and learn more from this app. Not that only, we also can find this is for the app. We also can find the TED talk at the website, such as like this. This is the website for the TED talk. We can search the talk at here, such as just now I say neuroscience, like this. Not that only, if we want the specific such as like this, there are a lot of popular topics such as technology, entertainment, design, business, science, and global issues. We also can see the all topic, which is like this. There are a lot of languages such as English, Spanish, Japanese, Portuguese, Chinese, and Korean. Not that only, we can, if we want found another language, we only click the see all language, such as like this. There are a lot of language for easy to understand and spread the same idea in different language. This is can enhance our knowledge, which is we can click any language from this. We also can find the 0 to 6 minute duration for the talk, or 6 to 12 minutes, or 12 to 18 minutes, or 18 above minutes. We also can find the news, the orders, the most weight, the jaw-dropping, funny, precise, encourage, injurious, fascinating, inspiring, beautiful, and informative. Not that only, we can watch the talk, the TED talk from this, play the list, TED ED video, TEDx talk, and subscribe me. There are a lot of options to you to choose which app we want or for software. Not that only, there are a lot of topic, book, idea blog, and newsletter. We can attend the conference such as take a part in our event, which is TED Global, and more. Not that only, there are also have TEDx event, TED on stream. There are a lot of experience TED from house or in the theater. We can participate, which is recommend speaker, TED prize, description, follow, and more. There are a lot of translate, TED prize, TED fellow, and organize a local TEDx event. We can find the TED background, such as our organization, our mission, history, teamwork, and we can find a lot of the related with the TED app or software at this website, such as our mission, separate the ideas. This is the main purpose of the app. Not that only, we can find a lot of program app here, such as TEDA, TEDED, TED Distribute, TEDS, TED.com, TED Book, TED Follow, TED Ideal World Spreading, TED Institute. There are a lot of conference, program and others else. We also can see a lot of which partner with TED, like this. So this is related with how we spread our idea to which is don't care who we are. We spread the idea to everyone to enhance more knowledge, to get a better language, to spread the same idea but different language. I think this is the most app which is suitable with to the university student. This is because this is very professional app and very good for their to improve their language. Not that only can enhance more knowledge, more idea, more experience, and we also can learn something which is the presentation skill, which is very professional, such as like this. Eva Abraham. The topic which is shared by Eva Abraham is the human story behind mass incarceration. Here I have a description about the talk, which is, he said, somewhere between 1 and 4% of those in prison are like innocent. Well, if we want to know, use the app TED Talk or Ideal World Spreading. Thank you.
Scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼.
Hello, here I'm going to talk about another application that can be used for assessment in the classroom, and it's called Kahoot. Kahoot is a web-based application that can be used cross-platform. So, it doesn't matter what type of device you're using, it's going to use a web page to access this. So, one question is make sure that this website is unblocked. If you choose to use this in your classroom, because if it's blocked, you won't be able to access any of the features. And since it is web-based, sometimes that can happen, so you're going to check for that. There are two types of website for Kahoot, which are getkahoot.com, which is for teachers, while kahoot.it is for students. So here is the sites for students, which you'll be directed to a page where you need to enter the game PIN number. So after you type the PIN number, you may hit enter. After you're done doing that, you're going to just write your name or your nickname. Then click OK, go. And at that point, you're going to be able to see your name projected on the screen. Easy peasy, right? Let's have fun playing Kahoot. So, the next website may look like this, which is for the kahoot.com. You're going to sign in if you haven't signed in before then, and now I'm going to log in because I just have signed up just now for my account. So once you sign in, you are set to either play a public Kahoot, or you are able to create a quiz, a discussion, or a survey, and we'll talk a little bit about those as we go. So I'm going to log in a while. this a bit like. Alright, you're set. So, for today's activity, I'm going to show you how to create a Kahoot in a simple step. So first, go to kahoot.com and sign up and sign in, which I already do. And next step is click new Kahoot for you to create a new question or quizzes. So the next step is that you have to pick a game type, which are quizzes, jumble, discussion, and survey. Quizzes is for multiple choice question, while jumble for you to put answers in the right order. And discussion is for you to put one question survey without point, and the last one is survey. It is a poll without points to get the points. So now I'm going to choose quizzes. So now I will fill up the details. Wonderland. I just choose a random title. How well do you know your so oops, good shots. Oh no, it hashtag ground hog king and JN. Okay, I'm done for that. This thing I'm going to put it later. So yeah, it's visible to only me. And credit resources is to Exuta film. And this is important for you. It is not that important, but it is optional to add a video to play in the lobby. Alright. So now I'm going to upload an image. From the gallery. I might choose this one. And after this, click OK, go. Oh, I forgot to choose the audience. Okay, let me choose first. Social, I think. Proceed. So now, I would like to set up a question and answers, and after this, we must mark one or more correct ones. So my first question will be like, how much how much would a woodchuck chuck? Sounds funny, right? And I will put down the answer first. 100 pounds. second answer will be 200 pounds. Something wrong with P. And my third answer will be 500 pounds. And the last one, as much as a woodchuck could. And don't forget to mark one or more correct ones. This would be the right answer. So don't forget to tune time limits for hard question and toggle points. So for this question, I would like to, 20 seconds is enough. And add an image or a video. Again, I would like to choose this. So, when you're done adding question, click next. Alright, this is just for example. So after you finish adding many questions would you like, you can preview or play or share your newly made Kahoot. So I'm going to save this and I'm done. So yeah, I'm done. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye.
이 꺼지고 마지막 페이지를 넘겨
Hi there, I want to introduce you about one of the educational apps that I recently used and found. Actually, this app is recommended by my friend, and tada! Han Academy. Han Academy is one of the educational apps that being used by all of the students around the world. This Han Academy is a non-profit educational organization that provide free video tutorial and interactive exercise. It's free, guys, free. Actually, it can be found anywhere in the internet, but today I'm going to show you how to use this Han Academy apps on your mobile device. Okay, first we will download these apps from Google Play Store. After you download it, and now you enter these apps. At this section you can see that that is my name, and usually I will make a new account with my Facebook. I connect this apps, this Khan Academy, with my Facebook, so it's easy, guys. You can just use your Facebook to connect it. At this section we can search about what we want to learn, or for example, recently I searched about probability. For example, probability. Okay, this is one of the video. At this section, not section, this is, if you want to change the speed, we can just do it here. Or when we want to this one is for forward the video or backward, forward for 10 seconds or backward for 10 seconds. If we want to see the video again or watch it again, if we don't understand what is the video is about. Okay, enough for this. Oh yeah, this Han Academy, it also provides transcript for each second. See, so we know what will the tutor will say about. Okay. um or if you do not found it here, you can just go to the home area to explore more. Okay, for example, maths, science, economics and finance, computing, test prep, partner content, talks and interview, college career and more. Okay, it's not only about the subject, the others education also they have here. Okay, now besides beside the video, they also provide exercise for us. Okay, for example, maths. Okay. Geometry. Okay, we can see this is the example for the exercise based on your grade lah. Based on your grade, what is shape? What is this shape? Okay, we can check the answer here. Okay, good work. Wow, I like this. Okay, the shape is not. Okay, we can just go to the next example. Not only maths, we can try this. For example, biology. They also provide, not only provide the video or exercise, they also provide the article in this apps. This apps is very useful because there are many information you can get here, like this. These are the sample of article. Okay. These are the great apps. I like this app. Okay. This app is just tutor us about education or a subject that we don't know. It just give us a simple way to solve the question. Before that, when we already explore this or do all the exercise, we will get the energy point and this page also. So that is what I want to talk about, just introduction about these apps. So guys, you can download these apps now, and there is no need to purchase these apps because it is free for everyone. This for these apps you cannot view or watch the video when you are offline. When you want to watch it offline, you can go to the bookmark because you already bookmark it, and you can watch it online. Okay, Thanks for viewing. That's all from me. Thank you.
이면 조용히 말을 내리죠.
Today I'll be showing you guys one of the useful education technology apps that can be used by all of the university students. So first we're going to type the link. So now we're going to it. Okay, this is the website, so you have to sign up. This is free, so since I have an account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, now I just have to type my email address and my password. Okay, now since I'm a new member, so this kind of question pops up, and then you're going to pick student because you are a student. So now this is a simple tutorial on how you're going to use a Padlet. So look. Okay, now I'm going to create my profile. So I'm going to use my name and short bio. That's all. And then you can add your friend. So for me, I'm going to pick Tony. You can write yours also. So okay, we're going to type his name, his email address, and then we're done for the first part. So this template will show you a lot of things about Padlet, so you can upgrade it later. So now you're all set for Padlet. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard. So I've done 3 walls just now. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own Padlet. So you just have to click this pink button, and you need to have a wall for your Padlet. So we're going to choose wall first. Okay, you have to wait, and then you can see the wall. So Padlet gave me this bright orange colored wall, but you can change according to your own liking. So now this is the important step. You just have to click the pink button to write whatever you want. So this is what I wrote. So now you can upload anything from your phone if you're using a phone, or laptop if you are using a laptop. So you can also upload photos, things from the Google or link, then you can delete it if you want to. So back to the main page. Okay, you can scroll down for more information. So this is very interesting app. So now we're going to an invitation link. So if someone gave you a link, please submit, and then you'll be in other people's Padlet. Okay, now we go for the gallery. The gallery is the best part of Padlet because you can see all the things that people wrote. It's very interesting to know what people share. So okay, back to the main page. You can see I did 4 walls that I did a few hours ago. So now we're going to see the gallery again. So you have to follow someone actually to see the like and the shared thing, in case you forgot where you put things, you can always like and share things, and then they will pop up in the shared and like column. So now for the settings, you can change everything actually, but for me I just stick to whatever I have for now. And then my profile, it looks like Instagram, but it is not. It is Padlet. So, and then we're going back so we can log out. So that's it. Padlet misses you already. So that is all from me. Thank you.
에이, 괜찮지만은 않아 이별을 마주한다는